Our alarm clock goes off at 5:20 in the morning, and then at about 5:25 I head out to the kitchen to pack my husband's lunch and his breakfast. We never used to wake up this early in the morning until my husband had to start waking up this early for his job, and it took a little bit to get used to waking up at 5:20 in the morning, but now that I've gotten used to it, I really like being able to have an early start on my day. I usually prep most of Jalen's lunch the night before just to make it a little bit easier on myself early in the morning, and at the beginning of the week I make a whole bunch of breakfast burritos that I can just have in the fridge and pull them out, heat them up in the microwave for him to take with him to work. So he leaves a little after 5:30, and then I go straight to the coffee maker to get my coffee started, because even though I've gotten used to getting up at 5:20 in the morning, I still definitely need my coffee to help me wake up. I had some cold coffee in the fridge, and it was going to be a really hot day here in Arizona, so I made myself an iced coffee. I took my coffee out to this cozy little porch that we have right off of our master bedroom. It's the perfect spot to have my morning devotions and sip on my coffee. Once I had enjoyed the beautiful morning for a little while, I headed into the office to get some work done. While the house was still quiet, while the kids are still sleeping, it's a great time to get some work done, whether I have to finish editing a video or do emails, comments. And on this morning, I was posting a video to my YouTube channel, so I went ahead and did that, got the last finishing touches on it, and got it ready to go live a little bit later in the morning. I always have this blank notebook sitting here on my desk just so that I can do a brain dump first thing in the morning before I start my day and write down everything that I need to get done for the day. Then I headed back to get ready for the day, and I just did my everyday quick messy bun because we were going to be spending most of the day here at home. After getting ready for the day, I always quickly tidy up my bedroom and my bathroom, make the bed, and I had some laundry here from the dryer that I went ahead and put here so that it was ready to fold later. Now the boys are awake, and they always wake up very hungry, so we headed straight to the kitchen to start making some breakfast. On this morning, we were going to do eggs and toast. Most mornings we just have cereal, keep it simple because the boys usually want to eat right away, so I just pour them bowls of cereal. But we were all out of cereal, so we did eggs and toast on this morning. have definitely been getting our money's worth out of these bar stools. We sit on them all the time, sometimes more than we sit at the actual table. They're just so great for breakfast and lunch. They're really easy for the boys to sit on them. They're very sturdy stools, very easy for them to climb up there, and just great while I'm making breakfast. Head back and the boys quickly straighten up their bedroom before they get ready for the day, and their room wasn't that messy because they usually do pick it up before they go to bed at night. And also, I feel like this video portrays our morning as just going picture perfect, and it doesn't always go picture perfect because I do have a 6-year-old and a 3-year-old, so every morning is definitely not perfect. But after their room was tidied up, then they were going to have playtime back there for a little while I went and got started on folding this pile of clothes on my bed. So like I had said earlier, I had a video going live that morning at 9 a.m. so I had to take a break from folding the clothes, head back to the office, and just make sure that that video went up okay. And then there was just a couple things that I have to do to finish it up. Once it goes live, make sure everything's going great, reply to the first few comments, post on Instagram that I had posted the video, and then I could head back and finish folding the clothes. I vacuumed the floor back here quickly. I don't vacuum our floors every single day. Sometimes out in the kitchen, if there's a lot of messes, I have to vacuum every day. But as far as the whole house, I only vacuum that every couple of days. And then I open up these side doors here in our master bedroom to let in the morning breeze. I got a load of laundry started in the washer, and then it was time to quickly tidy up the kitchen. And as I'm tidying up the house in the morning, I just have Kyle help me wherever he can. I don't have a specific chore chart made for him, which I do want to do that. Give me some ideas down below on what you do for that if you do that for your kids. But what I do right now is just have him help me wherever he can. He cleans up his bedroom, helps me empty the dishwasher, can help putting dishes in the sink and all that kind of stuff. He vacuums the floor, basically just whatever little chore that he can help with. And then we are going to start a little bit of school. We haven't officially started school for the fall, but he hadn't quite totally finished up his kindergarten books. So we went ahead and started those last week just so that we could finish them up before we officially start school this fall. And it's been great because it's kind of like a little refresher course of what he learned last year before we start up this fall. So as you can see, the first part of my morning basically consists of quickly tidying up the house before we start our day. And every morning it can look different sometimes, just depending on what I'm filming that day and what work I have to get done. But usually the first part of the morning, I just try to tidy up as much as I can. And I don't always get the whole entire house tidied up. If I have to get a house project done for a video or something, I usually have to start that right away in the morning sometimes, so I don't have time to clean up everything. It just depends. But once I had the house tidied up, I went ahead and got the giveaway boxes ready to go. A couple videos back, I did a giveaway where I gave away these 3 Simply Earth boxes, and the winners had been contacted. I had their addresses, so I went ahead and filled those out on the boxes, and then we were going to run them to the post office and get them shipped out. And also, if it's a day where a video goes live that morning, I'm constantly running into the office, sitting down at the computer, answering a few comments, just checking to see how the video's doing. I stopped by our little local coffee shop just to support them. I wanted something cold to drink, so I tried one of their lemonades. Instead of doing a whole bunch of ice in the cup, they just did one really big square down in there. I just wanted to stop in and support them. There was nobody in the line to order, and so I decided to pull in and give them some business. When we got back home, it was time for Owen to take a nap, and he doesn't take a nap every single day now. It's usually about every other day or every 2 days that he actually takes a nap. And while he was taking a nap, Kyle headed outside to play. Okay, so it's now officially the afternoon. I'm going to end this morning routine video right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed getting to see a little peek into one of my mornings, kind of like a day in the lifestyle video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more day in the life type of videos, let me know down in the comments. The next video on my channel will be the part 2 to that bathroom makeover video that I filmed last week. So stay tuned for that video coming up on Friday, and I will see you then. Bye!